Hello, fashion lovers, and welcome to Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. Thank you very much for your continuous support and love. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and leave your comments and feedbacks in the comment box. So, in today's video, we'll be learning about the half circular culottes and the circular culottes. So, let's start with the process of making half circular culottes. Earlier, we have learned about the half circular skirt. Now, we are learning the half circular culottes. Age group is 18 years. Scale is 1 inch is equal to 4 inch. Required measurements are all round waist 26 inch, all round hips 36 inches. Skirt length is 25 inches. So let's start with the drafting process. For that, first what I have to do, we are making a block ABCD. The block A, B, C and D as AB is equal to 32.43 inches. Why it's so? Because we want skirt length minus 1 inch for belt plus R. What this R is, we have explained this in the circular skirt also. This R will help us to determine the waist in the circular skirt. R means the all round waist divided by 3.14. 3.14, that means this is the value of pi, right? So it will be plus half inch for the is 26.5. when it will be divided by 3.14, so it will give you the value approximately 8.43 inches. So but now what we are doing, 24, that means skirt length minus 1, 25 minus 1, 24 plus 8.43 is equal to 32.43 inches, or you can approximate it as 32.5 inches. It's up to you, right? So this is a square of, this entire is a square of 32.43 by 32.43 inches, right? Now what we'll do, we'll just we'll just divide it into a half triangles like this. We have divided this square into two half triangles, and these two half triangles are 1 and 2. Now we'll determine the waist first. To determine the waist, we have to mark this point, that is R we have to mark from C, right? So we'll do this with a blue color so that you'll be able to see what the actually. Here I am marking 8.43 and 8.43. in all ways you have to mark this 8.43, 8.43, 8.43 on regular distances, right? And then you just have to join this, right? This is the waist. Now same will do, this is 32.43, and on the same distances will mark the hemline also. This is the hemline of the culottes. and then you just join this with a smooth curve. Just you have done in the half circular or the circular skirts also. This, right? Now this is the pattern of, you can see, is a quarter skirt, isn't it? This is just like a pattern of quarter skirt. Now let's see how we can convert it into the culottes. To convert it into the culottes, I'll mark a point. This point is, you can say, C dash. This point is C double dash. C to C dash is equal to C to C double dash is equal to 8.43 inches. That means the value of R. This is the value of R. This is the point E. You can say as C dash E is equal to C double dash D. It should be equal to this, exactly equal to this. Then you will be able to find the hemline of the culottes. Now we'll mark a point F. This is the point F as C double dash F is equal to 11 inches. Why it is so? 1/3 of the hips minus 1 inch for the belt. Here we are, as we have reduced here also, here I am also reducing a 1 inch distance for the belt, right? So this is, or you can say this is the crotch level. Someone has asked me the crotch level formula, how we can calculate the crotch through hips. So on the standard basis, it is 1/3 of the hips generally. So 1/3 of the hips, that means 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 inches is the crotch level. So 1 inch we have reduced for the belt, so it will be 11 inches, right? Now what I'll do, I'll extend the point C by 4 inches, this, to mark a point G. Same I'll do here. I'll extend the point this by 4 inches and I'll mark a point G dash as CG is equal to DG dash is equal to 4 inches. This is generally a fixed distance, and I'll just right now I'll mark a point H and H dash as 1 inch inside from, that's GH is equal to G dash H dash is equal to 1 inch, right? Now let's draw a perpendicular from point F to the line GG dash like this, and let's say this point where it is intersecting with the HH dash where it is intersecting with HH dash is point I, and where it is intersecting with GG dash is point J, right? This will help us to get the crotch of front and back. Now we'll mark a point K, which is the midpoint of this C to this, midpoint of this line. This is 11 inches, then 5.5 will be this. So whatever the length of this line is, you have to take the center of this. Now let's see, we'll mark a 45 degree angle and mark a line this point will be F dash and one point will be F double dash, as F to F dash is equal to 1.25 inches and F to F double dash is equal to 1.75 inches. That means it is half inches far. F and F dash and F double dash is half inches far from each other. Now let's give the shape to the crotch. First the front crotch, C dash to K to F dash to I. This is the front crotch. Back crotch is C dash to F dash, F double dash to G. This is the back crotch, right? Now we'll match this and this, and so this is one leg of the culotte. You can see this is one leg, this is the fold, this is the fold line. When you will fold this, you will get one leg of the culotte, so you need to cut off this, two cuts, and this is the grain line, right? So this is the culotte of half circular culotte. This is the drafting of half circular culotte. This is one leg will also be considered. You can cut it two times and then you can join the crotch and then you can stitch it. It is half circular because quarter circular in one leg and quarter circular in another leg. So let's start with the another one. Now we are doing with the circular culottes. Earlier it was half circular, now circular culottes, half circular on one leg and half circular on another leg. So for that we have to take a block in the same manner, A, B, C and D. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to C is equal to 28.22 inches. Why it is so? This is skirt length minus 1 inch plus R. In this case, in the case of circular skirt, R is equal to all round waist divided by 6.28. That means it is 2 pi, right? Plus half inch for the ease also you need to add. 26.5 divided by 6.28 would be approximately 4.22 or 23 or something, right? So we will be adding this to the skirt. Now we'll mark a point C dash and C double dash as C to C dash is equal to C to C double dash, or you may take C triple dash also, or C to C triple dash, and so on, is equal to 4.22 inches. That means the value of R, and we have to join this just like that. Now we can mark a point C dash to A is equal to C dash to E should be equal to C dash to D. That means these all lengths need to be equal, and you have to mark the hemline of the skirt. Now you can see earlier the fold line was here, now the fold line is here. You have to fold the fabric from this area. Now what I am doing, I am marking a point F and F dash in the same manner as CF is equal to DF dash is equal to 4 inches. Then G and G dash is equal to FG is equal to F dash G dash is equal to 1 inches, that is 1 inch, right? Now we have to mark a point H as C double dash H is equal to 11 inches. You know why? Crotch length minus 1 inch. Draw a perpendicular. This is I and this is J. This is a point K. Here we have to draw a 45 degree, that is H dash and H double dash as H dash is equal to 1.25 inches, H to H double dash is equal to 1.75 inches. Give the shape to the crotch. Like this. And then join it to the hemline. This is the front and this is the back. When you will cut this on fold, first you cut the back, then open it and then cut the front, and you will get the shape. And this is the grain line, and you need to cut off these also for 2 legs. For belt and other description, you can see the pants wala video or you can see the skirts wala video, and you will get the idea about the other things. So thank you for watching this video, friends.